What's up, folks? We're back out here for Freedom Friday, enjoying the lovely sunny weather, and wanted to share episode 2 with you guys of world's largest motorcycle museum, Barber Vintage Motorsports Museum in Birmingham, Alabama. This is just some old footage. Sorry about the resolution, had to pull it off the Facebook, but still wanted to share it with you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Take care. Still here at Barber Motorsports Park and Vintage Museum in Birmingham, Alabama. This is where I live now. I have decided to move in. We have been here about 3 hours and only seen one of 5 floors worth of motorcycles so far. But, man, just so much to take in. What's up, big bad John Hilliard? This is Maguro. So many different manufacturers that you just probably never even heard of. Who's this guy? Maiko. Look at that. These cool old badges. I just love it. I just absolutely love it. I'm about to go check out the flat tracker exhibit they've got over there. So cool. Here with my dad and brother today.
Guys, you don't have the water, dude.
Just beautiful. Birmingham, Alabama. Barber Motorsports Park and Vintage Museum. What y'all think, guys? Check out this old Chevy over here. It's beautiful. I'll let y'all take a look at that. 58 Bel Air. They just don't make them like they used to, man. They just don't. Ugh, whatever happened to good old-fashioned American craftsmanship? Beautiful. Down here they got a bunch of race cars. Of course, bikes all the way up to the 5th floor, hanging from the ceiling, everywhere. Just motorcycles everywhere. It's awesome. They do have a lot of old Triumphs here. And some newer ones, like this 2009 Bonneville. And whatever this one is, 95. But yeah, they've got tons and tons. Like, pretty much, if it was made, they just about have one here. Check out this old Harley, 55. I would love to have y'all spend the whole day here with me, but my phone probably won't allow it. There's a Honda Dream for you. That's one of my favorite Honda models, is the Dream. There's 2 of them. 53. Bentley. Man, oh man. Hey Sam, how you doing, bud? I'm here at Barber Motorsports Museum with my dad. we're just having a great time. We're just having a great time. What is this? A Horex? A lot of British built motorcycles in here. They're all so neat. Let's go check out these army bikes. What is this little boat over here? Some Vincent motorcycles. Seen a good many of those. It's easy to get distracted in here. What's up, Wheels? Look at this. Man, oh man, oh man. Y'all gotta come over here, man. Y'all gotta come check this place out. It is just unreal. What is this thing? Wait, is this a car? No. Because it's got a hole in the bottom of it, but maybe they had it. Oh, okay. Yeah, little motorized boat. Why is there a personal watercraft? So what do? Like sit on here and put your knees on the sides there, or how do you steer this thing? This is a Vincent. Wow, a Vincent water scooter. What in the world? That's too cool. Let y'all get a look at that. If you want to read this later, feel free to come back and watch again. Pause the video. Here we are. That's an Indian right there. A 1943 Scout. We got here a BSA. Wow, man. Too cool. I wonder if this is a BMW? Harley? When did Harley do the inline V-twin? That is something else. Man. Too cool. Chris, we're having a great time, man. Appreciate you meeting us for breakfast this morning. Now, I hadn't seen too many Navy bikes. Now, that is pretty cool. Very, very cool. It's like that bluish gray color. Here's your old Triumphs. Pretty red here. What have we got here? Monet and Goyen. These, Dad and I were definitely looking at just how similar the little motorized bicycle that we put together last year was to some of these really old motorbikes. I mean, that's what they were back then, right? These giant fat sprocket on the back. Can you imagine going 40 miles an hour on this thing? That's a glorified Huffy. Top speed, 40 miles an hour, right there. 250 cc. How is this engine 250 cc's? This is for comparison. This is how big that motor is. Oh, look at that. The Army ice cream scooter. How about it? Too neat. Love the sidecars. Alright, I need to take some pictures in here, man. This is too cool. Very, very cool. I want that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. What y'all think, guys? If you ask me in the comments about a particular motorcycle, I can try to find it here and take a picture of it for you. Look at this paint. Is that hand paint? That's a decal. They've got a neat restoration department that restores all these old guys. Some neat photos up here. So cool. We've still got a lot more to see, guys. We got a lot to take in here. But I'm gonna put the video down and go back to taking some pictures. There's some more BSAs, Sunbeam. Got some neat place, guys. Here at Barber Motorsports Park. A couple of Formula cars up there. Can y'all see all that down there? I'll show you the race cars. All these Whizzer bicycles. Now that's like pretty much what Dad and I put together. Something about like that. I like these down here, how they got the kit. Giant model car kit. There's a Ferrari done like that on the other side. Just awesome. What's up, Lee? Just talked with a couple of folks that had done an iron butt challenge on the way here from Ohio and went the long way just to ride 1,000 miles before they got here. But yeah, man. All right, let me hang this up. Go back to taking some pictures. Y'all have a good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see part 3 coming up. From Retrow's Rants and Raves, ride fast, pray hard. Take care. We'll see you next time. Boop. I suck at doing videos sometimes. It's just terrible. There's nothing you can do about it. Fortunately, this isn't live. I can do as many takes as I want. So.